Hello guys, so today we are going to do something which seems to be very easy to do. So obviously, because I've got a few fairings that are broken here from the previous owner, what are we going to do? We're going to replace this one here, which is the inner fairing that goes here. As you can see, it's all smashed up, and it should be like this. But as you can see, compared to the other side there, which is all good, this side here is all smashed. So we're gonna get that replaced, and yeah, eventually we're going to replace this bit here, the outer side. As you can see here, it's snapped too. Yeah, just gonna remove that one there, so to have more access to it. I'm going to remove this panel here as well. Just remove this ball and this one, and it should come out. So now you can have more access here. Yeah, it's just gonna unbolt. It should be like 3 bolts, one there, the other one at the bottom, and then get it out. So here we are. The parts are all out. The leftovers, I mean. As you can see, a big chunk just flew out and snapped a few brackets from the green fairing, which is this is the indicator light. As you can see here, it snapped this one. But yeah, once I replace this bit here, because I still need to get it ordered. Once I replace that bit, obviously I'm going to remove this screw and then bolt it on, screw it to the new one. That's why I'm probably gonna leave it there for a meantime, because otherwise I'll lose it. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna put everything back together and reattach this one to that one and to this one. It's a bit mangled. Okay, so now the new panel is fully on. As you can see, clean, very nice. Bike is more complete now. That one is going to the bin. So as you can see now, the wire is just loose here, but there is this little circle, I don't know what, clamps or whatever, just to make sure that the wire goes in the right place. We just need to guide it through like that. And so this one as well. Sorry for my shakiness. This is what we get. Yeah, now just connect this here. This is the indicator wire. There we go, clipped in. So yeah, now we just need to put the panel here back on. And there we are, all in. Clean here. Good. Here as well, complete as the other side. Wow. And now just need to rectify this one. But luckily the indicator is okay. You just need the new fairing, the new green bit. If you've got one for sale, let me know, because I'll probably buy it off you. Alright guys, that's it. I'm just gonna... Well, that's it for today. Soon I'll be ordering this bit here, the black bit here. As you can see, it's all scuffed up. Luckily the engine case is okay. It's just literally a little scratch there and there. But yeah, this bit needs to go just because of that. It's gonna be funny to remove all this bolt here. But I'll probably just drill it in and that's it, and get new bolts. And yeah, obviously this side will need replacing as well. It's a bit scuffed up. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.